Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to generate a random number in Python using the random module. So let's get started. First thing first, we need to import our random module. So let's do it. Let's write import and let's import random. Now we will create a variable in which we will have our random number. So let's just create any variable and and you can give any name to this variable, whatever you want. So in this video, we are giving the variable name called random number. Now, to use the random module, we need to write random and then rand. And if we want our random number to be an int, then we'll use rand int. And inside the bracket, we will give our range. So suppose we want a random number to be in between 1 to 100. So we will write 1 and then we will write our end range, and that's 100. So let's print it out. We'll print the variable that we created. It's called a random number. And yeah, that's it. Let's just run it and see what we get. So we got 54. Now this is a random number that we got, and the range is between 1 and 100. If we change the range, I'll give an example. I'll change the range from 100 to, let's give an example, 1000, and let's now run it. So we got a random number of 528. So this is how you will generate a random number in a specified range using the random module in Python. Thank you so much.